In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Venmo account without a phone number. Now, doing this is a little bit tricky as Venmo typically requires a valid US-based phone number for verification during registration. However, there are a few things that you could do in order to bypass this. And the first thing is to obtain a virtual phone number. So you could use a service like Grasshopper, eSIM Plus, Text Verified, Grizzly SMS, or even Google Voice in order to get a US-based virtual phone number. And these services provide temporary or long-term numbers for SMMS verification without needing a physical SIM card. So basically what you would need to do is you would need to create a Venmo account like you normally would, but when it comes to entering in your phone number, you would need to use a virtual phone number. So let me go ahead and show you guys really quickly. For example, we have eSIM Plus right over here, so let's go ahead and take a look at it right over here, and this basically provides you with phone numbers that you guys could use from literally any country. So yeah, but there is a monthly fee as well. I should definitely go ahead and point that out, but I personally think that if you're using Venmo for business and you're using it in order to accept payments, it is certainly worth the expense, and it's honestly not that expensive either, like compared to some other virtual phone number services. So that is certainly an option that you guys have. And basically the way it works is that you would enter the virtual phone number inside of Venmo, and then when it came time to verifying your number, it will actually send a text message over to your phone number, the virtual phone number, and then from there you can go ahead and verify your account and verify your phone number. And obviously you're going to need some other information as well, like your name, your address, your date of birth, and you may need to verify it with a government issued ID. So again, just keep that in mind, and of course you will need to link a bank account once you made your Venmo account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.